Hello again and welcome. So continue in novel novel 6G scenarios. Uh, Here in scenario theme 2, continue. We have we choose the horizontal dimension to present value configuration and vertical axis value to capturing logic. So the polar the dimensions to the value configuration axis are traditional closed supply value chain focus and open ecosystemic driven configuration. So the value creation, customer attraction, and lock-in logic ends are incumbent mobile operator dominated model. So the upside is the expanded model with the uh, operating with over the top cloud I 5.0 and novel digital service provider stakeholders. So starting with edge to A, in the edge scenarios, value creation is customer attraction and lock-in driven, and value configuration is open ecosystem focused. So this scenario stems from the decentralized open value configuration and ecosystem driven business model. Uh, so novel plays have uh, taken over both customer ownership and network. So in over the top over to and devices vendor own the B2C customer relationship while local tailored private cloud native network. Uh, uh, Telecommunication operators play a role as a wholesale connectivity service provider. So technology and innovation ownership are expanded, fully leveraging open application world and novel resource brokerage. So furthermore, edge resources may be operated by local communities and special interest groups. So, in expanding service into remote rural area or universities and research organization deploying their own edge resources to speed up local innovation. So there will be a specific network areas and zones. So we can have a very personal zone through in body communication application, producing data for daily diagnosis for individual or shared merely with private medical doctor. So in telco telco brokers in the telco broker scenario, value creation is driven by uh, incumbent. So the existing operator, and the value configuration is open ecosystem focused. So telco brokers have retired and the primary customer relationship and have focused on monetizing data via the service platform ecosystem. So technology provide driven the technology ecosystem, and after an efficient network in infrastructure via platform-based ecosystematic business model. So here in MNO 6.0 scenario, value creation is incumbent driven, and value configuration is closed supply focused. So in this scenario, telecommunication firm driven technology innovation and control the traditional E2E value chain. So owning the customer relationship in both B2C and B2B segment, it is strongly under mobile network operation business driven decision that the advised service enabling by 6G technology are available for various vectors. So the key technology enables utilized as the prerequisite for decouplling of cost from growth and automated network slicing and leverage. So the use of higher frequency bands in conjunction with network definition. So in addition to the technology innovation platform, they have established a transaction platform position between customer and over the top players. Now moving to over the top. In the over the top scenario, value creation is a customer attraction and look in driven, and value configuration is closed supply focused. So in this scenario, over the top have taken over customers from telecom operators by utilizing their access to customer data. So, however, operator continue to control both mobile and fixed connectivity technologies that are commoditized and orchestrate the related E2E value chain. So um, commoditized connectivity drives operators to create partnership with over the top I 5.0 service provider and public network, and to provide wholesale services utilizing their transaction platform. So over the top players offer a novel free or subsidized connectivity business model utilizing reversed net naturally principles, affordable, expanding their each to the bottom 4 billion. So thank you for listening, and in the coming video we will discuss scenario theme 3, which is sustainability. So keep in touch and thank you.